Okay guys, so I'm trying to rescue my cat. My shoes are really dirty because I was trying to do it before. So I have treats and we're gonna do it. I tried to get him out so many times. Okay, so I mean, it stopped raining, that's a good sign. I don't want my phone to get broken. Too much wetness. So I got treats. Hadron is his name. So, I have this thing where you can hold this phone. So if you place it down and watch something, not a pocket, no. So I'm just gonna stick my hand through it, and I can hold it even easier. And this is one of my cat's bedroom. It says, "I love my cat." Got a bit wet. That's why it looks weird. He is here. I'm back home in Medina. Okay, here you go. Oh, he likes the camera. Okay, that's good. Okay, he's scared, okay? He doesn't want to go out. I'm soaked, as you guys can see. My shoes are, dirty. Come on, boy. Come on. He'll do anything for treats. Okay, come on. I have to pick you up. I'm not picking you up. Please. I want to be picked up. No, you're not being picked up. I have a stuffy nose. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. You gotta do this for me. Please. Okay, just come on. Okay, seriously. Okay, come on, boy. You've got to do this for me. For Mama. I'm not picking you up because I'm recording. I know I have pockets to put this in there and stop the recording, but I want to record. Hi. Sorry about it. I have a really bad stuffy nose. Just say. It's a sniffing. Come on, boy. All right. Okay, if you heard that weird noise, it was just my shoe, like this. I can't do it. It's just, yeah. Okay, he's not gonna go anywhere, guys. Come on. Come on. Guys, in the picture that I made those shorts, he wasn't this big. He grown so much. He's just so cute. Mama loves you. Mama loves you, okay? But we just need you to grow. Come on, come on. Come on. I don't want to make you hiss, okay? So we're doing this the easy way. Come on. Come on, boy. No front yard, no front yard. It's not raining. See? No, you're going home. Okay, we're going home. You want the treat? See, you want the treats? Come on, walk with me. Good boy. Keep walking. You don't care about anything else except the treats, right? Come on. Okay, so we're just gonna walk home. We got a couple plants. We got this big woods that we go in. We might actually do golf balls. I'm gonna do that sound when I get angry. So we're just gonna walk in. Hodge, run! You know what? Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Just stare at the tomato plants. I'm gonna go pick them up. So you can admire my very nice backyard, and it started to rain again. Oh no, it's just the trees soaking. So we're just gonna put this here. Good thing I have this holder thing. So yeah, you're just gonna stare at the ground. Oh my god! He came! Oh my god! Okay, he came. He's a smart cookie. He's on the patio. So goes. Oh, and he's smart. Okay, so I need to rescue this guy. So here we have our little thingy thing. I forgot to say. It was just in my mind. It's this thing that next door. Come on, boy. Look at my shoe. You want to take what that twice? Guys, Oh, he ain't going anywhere. Well, at least he came into the patio, so he's home.